In this video, we will initiate collateral deposits for cash or non-cash collateral. Start by navigating to the Collateral transaction screen. Click Initiate Deposit in the top left of the screen to open the Initiate Deposit pop-up menu. Within the Initiate Deposit pop-up menu, enter the current or future settlement date, the regular, segregated, or guarantee fund account type, the cash or non-cash collateral instrument, and quantity. Note that a custodian template must also be selected for Treasury bill deposits. If the user attempts to submit a deposit with required information missing, a system notification is displayed to indicate the fields that need to be addressed prior to proceeding. Click Confirm Transaction to initiate the collateral deposit and submit. When a collateral transaction is first entered, the status will be set to pending settlement if the quantity of the transaction is below the collateral approval threshold set by your firm. The transaction is now pending clearinghouse processing. Alternatively, the status will be set to queued if the transaction has been designated for a future settlement date. If the quantity of the transaction exceeds the collateral approval threshold determined by your firm, secondary approval is required, and the status will be set to pending approval. In this case, a separate user who did not initiate the deposit or withdrawal must log in and approve the transaction. In this example, we will approve a separate transaction that has already been initiated by a colleague. To complete the approval, the secondary user must locate and select the transaction to approve, then click Approve in the top left of the screen to open the pop-up menu and submit. For additional instructions for approving collateral deposits and withdrawals or details on transaction statuses, please refer to the MCS User Manual. Once approved, the status will update to pending settlement or queued as appropriate. Upon clearinghouse confirmation of receipt of the collateral deposit or release of the collateral withdrawal, the status will be updated from pending settlement to settled, as shown in this example. This transaction is now complete. If the collateral transaction is unable to be processed successfully, the status will be updated to failed, as shown in this example. To view the reason for the deposit failure, refer to the transaction log by clicking on the hyperlinked transaction ID. At the end of each trade date, any incomplete transactions will be updated to a system canceled state. The transactions will no longer be able to be approved, but will remain visible for reference purposes in the system for the next 2 business days.